Hi family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. If you're new here, my name is Anne, and today's video is about how we can restore our hair strength and thickness and also maintain a healthy hair. So what we're going to use is avocado, which is a great source of biotin, and also our eggs, which is also a great source of protein and vitamins, which contribute to the healthiness and thickness of the hair. Okay, now our other ingredient is the aloe vera, which is very good for the hair. You'll be needing some oils. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use more or less of them. So now to begin the process, I'm going to trim off the edge of the aloe vera, then scoop out the juice from the aloe vera. So guys, if not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing, like this video and share it to your friends and family. Please leave a comment in the comment section on your take and protein treatment for the hair. So guys, after scooping out the juice from the leaves, I'm going to strain it out to separate the lumps in the juice from the juice. Okay, so now I'm going to open up my avocado and scoop it out into the blender. So guys, for the avocado you can use half of it, but I'm going to use the whole because I'm going to use this with my big sissy. So guys, if you're using half of it, to store the other half, you can cover it with the emptied barn on top of it, then you put it in the fridge. Like I said, I'll be sharing this protein treatment with my big sissy. That's why I'm making everything two. You can use one egg or two of them. So I'm cracking my egg into the blender. So guys, after adding the eggs, I'm going to add the aloe vera juice into it. So guys, I'm going to be adding some oils. I'll be using castor oil and extra virgin olive oil. Like I said, initially you can use more of the oils or less of them. So I added 1 tablespoonful of castor oil and 1 tablespoonful of olive oil. I'm also going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoonful of honey to this recipe. After this, I'm going to blend everything together. So guys, after blending, I'm going to transfer the mixture into a clean bowl. So look at how smooth and nice it looks. So guys, I sprayed my hair with water, then I separated it into 6 sections. This is how I'm going to apply the mixture or the protein treatment on my hair. I'm going to apply it to my full hair while massaging my scalp and finger detangling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair and tuck it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab another section and apply the mixture onto my hair. Massage my scalp, then finger detangle the section, after which I'm going to twist it and tuck it under my hair. So guys, after I've applied the mixture to my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and cover my hair with a rubber bag. So I'm gonna leave this on for at least 30 minutes before I wash it off. And please remember to use cold water. Do not use warm water, else you won't finish removing the cooked eggs that is going to be in your hair. So guys, remember to wash your hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner, else your hair is going to stink. So I got my big sis washing my hair for me after the treatment. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section your take and protein hair treatment. See you on my next video. Bye.